Today, we will be starting a new series on how to write a perfect functional specification document. We will discuss each section in detail using real-world business examples so that we can understand each concept in depth. The course is divided into 8 to 9 videos so that you can understand clearly and learn at your own pace. In today's video, we will cover the basics. First, we will understand what exactly is an FSD. Second, we will understand why do we write an FSD for every project. And then we will quickly review an FSD template from scratch. Welcome to the channel. I am Rakesh, Business Analyst Lead, with over 15 years of experience in banking and digital products. Now let's get started. We'll move to the whiteboard. Let's imagine Sam is a business analyst working with an IT firm called ABC Tech. Recently, ABC Tech got a large project to build an online flight ticket booking platform. Now, Sam is assigned as a BA on this project and he's asked to work as a business analyst to gather the requirements. Sam will start the analysis. He will meet the clients and build a feature list like customer can book tickets, make online payment, download the book ticket, view transaction history for last 12 months, and so on. Once the feature list is built, Sam will discuss further with the client in detail. He will understand the user journey, like how the ticket is booked, then what data need to be captured, like source, destination, date of the flight, and then he will check all the business rules and conditions which needs to be applied. Once Sam has gathered and understood all the requirements, right, he will start documenting the data in a proper format. We call this document as a functional specification document. Once the document is ready, Sam will send this document to the client for review. Client will review the document and ask for the required changes. Sam will incorporate all the changes in the document and share the revised document with the client again for approval. Now, client will do a final review and give a sign off on the document. So here we have a final approved document. To summarize, once a document is signed off, this becomes a final go-to document. All the teams will refer to the document. Design team will use the document to prepare the design. Development team will use the document to do the coding, and then the testing team will use the document to create the test plan and write the test cases as per the business requirement. In short, what we see is that an FSD helps you translate a functional requirement into a clear, concise, structured document. Now let's look at an FSD template. Here I'll show you a standard template. This may slightly vary considering your domain and company where you're working. Total, there are 5 sections in the document. First is introduction. Here we capture purpose, audience, reference, and glossary. In purpose, we will mention the goal of the document. In audience, we will list all the users who are going to consume the document. In references, we will write all the data or documents or API we have used during our analysis. And glossary is basically the key terms used in the document. Next, we have the overall description. In this section, we will list out the product perspective. So basically how the product fits in the ecosystem, then features to be offered, then what is in scope and out of scope for this particular document. Next, the platform we will be supporting like mobile, Android, iOS, web browser, or maybe a hardware like a POS machine, etc. Then we will talk about assumptions and dependencies. Then in the next section, we have systems and features. We will capture the complete feature details and its working. So what the system will do and how it will do will be captured here. In the next section, we have interfaces like user interface, hardware interface, and software interfaces. In the 5th section, we have non-functional requirements where we will capture the performance requirements and user design requirements. So within the performance requirements, we'll basically understand how the system will behave when there is additional load applied onto the system. To sum up, today we have seen what and why of an FSD. In the next video, we will start with a detailed discussion for each section in the document. If this video was helpful, then do like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching.